ating lesson ngayon ay adding and subtracting similar fractions with Teacher Pinks. Ano nga ba ang similar fractions? Similar fractions are fractions with similar denominators. How are they similar? These are the numerators and these are the denominators. So, pag ito, ang mga denominators, 8, 8, 8, ay pare-parehas, meaning, if this is 8, dapat 8 lahat. Kung 7, 7 lahat ang denominators. Kung 5, 5 lahat. So, that is your similar fractions. How do we add similar fractions? When adding similar fractions, add the numerators and write the sum over the common denominator. So, i-add lang natin itong mga numerators at pagkatapos ay isusulat natin yung common denominator. Katulad dito, 2 plus 1 equals 3. Dahil ang ating common denominator ay 4, so let us copy only 4. Hindi siya magiging 8. Kukopyahin lang natin ito. Kasi ito yung ating common denominator. Gets? Thank you. Subtracting similar fractions. When subtracting similar fractions, we subtract the numerators and write the difference over the common denominator. So, katulad kanina, sa addition of similar fractions, ini-add lang niya. Pero dito, sinasubtract niya. Meaning, we minus tayo dito, ha? Children, minus. Alam ko yung iba, mas gusto nila minus. Like, 2 minus 1 equals 1. Dahil ang 2 minus 1 ay 1. At kaya ito ay 4 dahil ito yung common denominator. We just copy the common denominator. Hindi ito siya magiging 0. Ito lang yung taas lang, yung numerators lang ang ating sinasubtract. Other examples, addition versus subtraction of similar fractions. In addition, another example is 5 9 plus 2 9 equals 7 over 9. So, 5 plus 2 equals 7. Madali lang, di ba? Over 9. Saan na naman ito natin kinuha na 9? Dito po. Dito po. Hindi po siya ini-add. Ngunit ito ay kinopya lamang natin. Kaya naging 9 dito. Okay, kuha. Sana nakukuha niyo po, ha? Dito naman sa subtraction, same numbers. Pero ang ating lang ginamit ay pag-subtraction. Okay, subtraction. 5 minus 2 equals 3 over 9. Ganon pa rin ang ating denominator. Hindi siya nagbabago. Kung ano yung nakalagay dito, ganon din dito. Kasi similar fractions nga sila. Okay, gets? Ow! Sige, sa susunod naman. Ito pala. Bakit naging 1/3 or 1/3? Sabi niya dito 1/3. Kasi ito ay ating ni-reduce. Ang 3/9 reduced ay 1/3. Kasi we divided this number 3/9 divided by 3 over 3. Ang common denominator nila ay 3. Kaya naging 9. Sa susunod, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano natin ginawa yun. Okay, another example. 2 plus 1 equals 3. This is your addition, correct? Over 5. Tama. For subtraction, 2/5 minus 1/5 equals 1/5. Bakit 1/5? Kasi nga 2 minus 1 equals 1. Then, copy this 5. So, magiging 1/5 na siya. Okay? Next. Oh my God. Nandito na sa Teacher Pinks. Exercise 1 na daw. Okay, let's go. Give the missing numbers. For number 1, that would be 3/5 plus 1/5 equals blank 5th. Blank over 1 of blank 5. Number 2, 4/7 minus 2/7 equals blank 7th. Number 3, 7 over 11 minus 2 over 11 equals blank 11. Number 4, 10 over 15 minus 3 over 15 equals blank 15. Okay. I will give you time to answer. Okay, done? Okay. Madali lang, di ba? So, what is 3 plus 1? That would be 4. So, the answer is 4/5. Okay. Number 2, 4 minus 2 is 2 over 7. For number 3, we have 7 minus 2. So, 7 minus 2 is 5 over 11. Number 4, 10 minus 3 is 7 over 15. Di ba madali lang? Naka-4 ka po ba? Sana naka-4 ka, ha? Madali lang naman siya. Okay, exercise number 2, Teacher Pinks. Go, go, go. Yay! Find the sum. Write your answer in the lowest terms if possible. So, pag sinabi nating sum, ito ay sagot sa addition. Okay, so we will add similar fractions. For number 1, we have 3 over 6 plus 1 over 6 equals blank. Number 2 is 7 over 20 plus 4 over 20 equals blank. Number 3 is 5 over 10 plus 3 over 10 equals blank. Number 4 is 8 over 15 plus 2 over 15 equals blank. And for number 5, 8 plus 8 equals blank. Okay. Nandyan na po yung papel at saka lapis or ballpen. Kahit tingnan mo lang siya, makakasagot ka na. Okay, let's answer. What is 3 plus 1? That would be 4 over 6. Kaso lang, sabi niya, write your answer in the lowest terms if possible. Is this already in lowest terms? Not yet. Bakit? Kasi nga, mag-divide pa siya. By what number? Anong number yung makaka-divide sa kanilang dalawa? That would be 2 over 2. So, 4 divided by 2 is 2 over 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, your reduced answer is 2/3. Ang 2/3 ba na ma-divide pa? Hindi na po. Ito na po yun. Okay. Let us have the white one. Hindi ko siya masakit siya sa mata. 7 plus 4, that would be 11 over 20. Okay. So, 11 over 20 is your answer. Naka-lowest terms na ba po siya? Ang laki pa nyo, ang laki pa ng numbers na to, ng 11 over 20. Yes, malaki siya. Ngunit, hindi na siya ma-divide, hindi na siya ma-reduce to lowest terms. Bakit? Kasi walang number na makaka-divide sa kanya. Sa numerator at saka denominator, isa lang na number po. So, this will now become your answer. That is your last answer. 5 plus 3 equals 8 over 10. Okay, malaki pa siyang number. So, what do? We reduce it again. What number can divide both numbers, 8 and 10? That would be 2. So, we will divide both of them by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, do we have the same answer? Very good. 8 over 15 plus 2 over 15. So, what is 8 plus 2? That would be 10. Then, copy 15. Naka-reduce na po ba siya? Hindi pa, malaki pa siya. So, what do? We divide it by 5 because both numbers can be divided by 5. Okay, so 10 divided by 5 is 2. Then 15 divided by 5 is 3. So, what is the correct answer? That would be 2/3. Pwede rin naman siyang 10 over 15, kaso nga lang hindi pa siya reduced. So, ang reduced answer niya ay 2/3. Okay, got it? Next, number 5. 4 plus 2 is 6 over 8. Reduce this to lowest terms by 2 equals, what is 6 divided by 2? That would be 3. And what is 8 divided by 2? That would be 4. So, what is the correct answer? That would be 3/4. Okay. Did you get 5? I hope so. Susunod naman tayo. Exercise 3, Teacher Pinks. Yay, 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 yay. Okay, find the difference. Write your answer in the lowest terms if possible. So, pag sinabi natin difference, ito naman ay subtraction. Number 1, 5/6 minus 3/6 equals blank. For number 2, 7/10 minus 3/10 equals blank. Number 3, 8/12 minus 5/12 equals blank. Then, number 4, 15 over 20 minus 10 over 20 equals blank. Number 5 is 20 over 24 minus 4 over 24 equals blank. Okay. Have you answered? Okay. Let's answer now. 5 minus 3 is 2 over kopya sa 6. Okay. Naka-lowest terms na ba siya? Yes, pero pwede pa siyang ma-reduce. By what number? That would be by 2. Both numerator and denominator are divided by 2. So, what is 2 divided by 2? That would be 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, your reduced answer is 1/3. Okay, got it? Number 2, 7 minus 3 is 4 over 10. Reduce to the lowest terms. We divide it by 2. What is 4 divided by 2? That would be 2. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay. Number 3 is 8 minus 5. That would be 3. Ay 4 pala. Ay 3. Okay, 3 over 12. Is 3 over 12 reduced already? Not yet po. So, we will divide this. By what number? That would be by 3. What is 3 divided 3? That would be 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So, what is the answer? That would be 1/4. Okay. For number 4, what is 15 minus 10? That would be 5 over 20. Can we still reduce? Yes po. By 5. Correct. By 5. What is 5 divided by 5? That would be 1. What is 20 divided by 5? That would be 4. So your answer is 1/4. Dito ay 2/5. Okay, for number 5, 20 minus 4 is 16 over 24. Hala, ang laki pa po niya. Hindi pa siya reduce. So we will reduce. By what number? What number can divide both of them? It can divide 4 and it can also divide 8. The greatest is 8. So we divide it by 8 para isa lang siya. 16 divided by 8 equals 2. 24 divided by 8 is 3. So your correct answer is 2/3. Okay. Did you get 5? Yes. Very good. Next is a short quiz already. Okay, short quiz. Teacher Pinks. Find the difference or the sum. Write your answer in the lowest terms if possible. So, meaning difference at sum. It may be addition or it may be subtraction. For number 1, that would be subtraction. 13 over 21 minus 8 over 21 equals blank. For number 2, 8 over 30 plus 12 over 30 equals blank. Number 3, 25 over 30 minus 5 over 30 equals blank. Number 4 is 15 over 20 minus 10 over 20. That would be blank. And number 5, 1 over 8 plus 3 over 8 equals blank. Okay. Have you answered? Okay, ang bilis. Bilis. So, let us answer. 13 minus 8. Ilan nga bang 13 minus 8? That would be 5 over 21. Is this already reduced? Ang laki pa niya. Ang laki pa ng number niya. Pero hindi na po siya ma-reduce kasi walang isang number na makaka-divide both numerator and denominator. Okay? So, the answer here for number 1 is 5 over 21. Number 2, 8 plus 12 is 20 over 30. Ang laki-laki pa niya. So, we reduce it by 10. Both numbers are divisible by 10. So, what is 20 divided by 10? That would be 2. 30 divided by 10, that would be 3. Okay. For number 3, 25 minus 5 is 20 divided by over 30 pala. Okay, so just like this one, we divide it by 10. We have the same answer for number 2 and number 3 equals 2/3. Okay, for number 4, 15 minus 10, that would be 5 over 20. We can still reduce by 5. So what is 5 divided by 5? That would be 1. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So your answer is 1/4. Number 5, 1 plus 3 is 4 over 8. We can still divide this by 4. Equals 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Pwede rin naman siya. So, the answer is 1/2. For example, Yung 4 over 8 mo, sabihin natin dito, yung 4 over 8 mo, dinivide mo lang siya ng 2. Kasi pwede siyang ma-divide ng 2. Pwede po siyang i-divide by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Over 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, 2/4 yung answer niya. Kaso lang, pwede pa rin siyang ma-divide. So, i-divide mo pa uli siya. For example lang ha, na ganito yung ginawa mo. Para alam mong kung pwede pa siya, sige pa rin. Divide lang ng divide hanggang pinakamalit na siya na answer. 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, the same answer lang po siya. Ito at saka ito. As in, piniga mo talaga siya. Reduced na siya. Okay? Did you get 5? Very good. So, for that, you have an excellent job. Yay! And this is Teacher Pinks. Thank you for watching. If you think you learned from my video, please hit like, share, subscribe, and hit all notification box. Thank you.